Hello everyone. Let's understand the types of error in statistical analysis under the given COVID-19 scenario. So why we should understand the types of error? Because no hypothesis is 100% true unless it is proven. Because hypotheses are based on certain probabilities and there is always a chance of drawing an incorrect conclusion. So we should test the hypothesis. So let us understand the type of error. Suppose in research we have observed one medicine which is beneficial. The same medicine may be harmful in research result. In realities also, there are two types of possible outcome. The medicine may be beneficial or medicine may be harmful. So let us understand the research versus reality scenario in more detail. Suppose the medicine is beneficial in real research result and in reality also the medicine is beneficial. So in such scenario we have drawn a correct conclusion and the medicine can be released for the population. In another scenario, suppose in research we have observed that the medicine is harmful and in reality also the medicine is harmful. So in this situation also we have drawn a correct conclusion of the hypothesis. Now the third situation is the in research we have observed a medicine which is a harmful, but in actual scenario in reality the medicine is beneficial. So we have committed type 1 error. In fourth scenario, suppose a medicine is found to be beneficial in research, but medicine is actually harmful in reality scenario. So this situation is type 2 error. As you can see, if a medicine is actually harmful in reality and in research it is found to be beneficial, this is more dangerous situation. The type 2 error should be removed. Let us understand one more example of the type of error. Suppose we have tested a person for the COVID-19 test. The test result are that the person may be negative or the person may be positive. In reality also there are two options. The person may be negative or person may be positive. So let us understand the type of error. In reality, in COVID-19 test, the person is found to be negative. In reality also, the person is negative. So in this situation, there is a correct conclusion we have drawn. Suppose the person is found test positive and in reality also the person is found positive. So in that situation also we have drawn a correct conclusion. Third situation is that result COVID-19 test shows positive, but the in reality the person is actually negative. So in that situation we have committed type 1 error. This is not a dangerous situation. Dangerous situation is when that a person is a negative in test, but in reality it is found to be positive. So this is a type 2 error and this is a more dangerous situation. So there are two types of error, type 1 error and type 2 error. Type 2 error is more dangerous. So our aim is should be to reduce both the error, and in general it is more risky or dangerous to accept a false hypothesis, that is type 2 error, than to reject a true hypothesis, that is type 1 error. That is all about the types of error. Hope you have understand both the types of error. Thank you so much.